Falcon Roto Drive 33 plus 1400W 3500 RPM rotary lawn mower. Electric powered. This lawn mower is electric powered, which means no gas or oil needed. It's eco-friendly and starts easily with the push of a button. Minimal effort. The electric motor and lightweight design make this lawn mower easy to maneuver, even for those with limited mobility. Cutting width. With a cutting width of 34 centimeters, this mower is ideal for small lawns.